one of our favorite brands in the handbag community has a totally new look. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I'm Jen, really excited to share with you some exciting changes and kind of a relaunch from the brand Zoomoni. I have been using their bag organizers and working with this company for a while, and they reached out and asked if I wanted to be part of sort of a brand refresh. Zoomoni is a very popular line of handbag inserts and accessories to help care for and preserve your luxury handbags, and I love the products. I think they're great quality. They are handmade in South Korea. By the way, this is not sponsored. I am a Zoomoni affiliate, and they did gift me a brand new insert for my Neverfull MM just to do the new luxury unboxing. So that's what I'm going to share with you right now. You can see it is the same great quality products, but a whole new look and feel. They've changed the logo a bit. There's some really fun colors, and I was really excited about it. I think this looks fantastic. So this is what you can expect moving forward. You can see the box now has kind of a different sticker on it. It's pink and black. I think the colors are really cute. Very millennial vibes. I love it. They have both felt and silky inserts. I decided to go with a silky insert just because I felt that would be a good middle ground for the Neverfull in offering some structure and protection, but also still preserving some of the slouchiness. I really like the silky organizer for my delightful PM because it's not too stiff. So I asked to get an organizer made in the neutral color, which is new. I think it's a pretty good match for the beige lining of the Neverfull bag, and I think the quality is great. I think this is now my 5th Zoomoni insert, and I also have inserts from other brands, but I really like the quality and the custom fit of the Zoomoni inserts. Love them. You can get them in any color. You can get different thicknesses, 1.2 millimeter or 2 millimeter, and I've tried both of those. So let me get the Neverfull and I'll show you the inside. Here she is, my pre-loved Neverfull MM. I picked this up a while ago from Yugi's Closet, got a hell of a deal on it, and it's in great condition. I didn't really have a proper organizer for it, so I really thought this was a great opportunity because now I have a Zoomoni organizer, and here I'll show you the inside. It looks fantastic, and I'm glad I got to try out the new neutral color. So you can see, look how well this fits. It has quite a few different pockets, and Zoomoni has several different styles for the Neverfull inserts, and you can also get one custom made with any feature you want. You can get one with a zipper, you can get iPad pockets, cup holders, so really there's something for everyone. Also, Zoomoni now makes bag pillows. So I haven't tried those out yet, but I believe they are available, and they also have some different add-ons like different pouches and other little cubes. And I actually put the cubes in my Dooney and Burke bag just to kind of keep things organized in there. But you can see there's a new logo. So each Zoomoni organizer has a little label on it, and they have updated the label. I think it looks really cute. So again, same great product, but a whole new look to it. Really excited. Thank you so much, Zoomoni, for including me in this really cool brand relaunch and giving me the chance to try out one of your latest inserts with the new color. I think that's really cool. And I do have a special discount code for all of you, Sunshine Fashion Love. I will put it up on the screen, and also there'll be a link and more information down below in the description box. But love this company. I think they've been great to work with, and they make really good products that I am really proud to represent and promote here on the channel. Check them out if you haven't tried a Zoomoni organizer. I personally have noticed a difference in the quality and the fit versus the generic ones you get. I'm a huge fan of the product, and I think everything I've gotten from this brand has been fantastic quality. So anyways, you can also check out some other videos I've done on Zoomoni inserts. I will put some links down below as well. I've done some comparisons between the silky versus the felt if you're having a hard time trying to figure out which one is right for you. And I also kind of pointed out the differences between the 1.2 millimeter felt and the 2 millimeter, because there is a difference. By the way, you can get them in so many different colors. So check out some of my other videos if you're having kind of a hard time trying to figure out which one is right for you. They really do have something for everyone, and they have hundreds and hundreds, probably over, I would guess over 1,000 different styles for various popular bags, but you can also get one custom made if you provide the dimensions of your handbag. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again in the next one.